Hi tarot babes and badasses, it's Ethany and welcome to First Impressions Friday on my channel. I have got a cute little oracle deck for you all today, which I actually got at the Northwest Tarot Symposium this year at the Raven's Wing shop, their little stall. If you are in Portland, you must go check out that shop. It is like one of my favorites. It is the I'm gonna butcher this, Adorabyssmal oracle. That is a tongue twister. That is a tongue tire. I got this deck from them. I'm pretty sure you can get this deck from the creator's Etsy shop. I have not checked it out though. So I'm just going to quickly... This is a first edition. I snapped it up. An all ages collection of cute creepies at their cuddliest. I actually wanted to get this deck on Kickstarter. I mentioned this on... on the Newts video. I wanted to get this on Kickstarter, but the postage for this tiny little deck to Canada was like $25 US. I ship everywhere in the entire world, and there is no way this was $25 US for shipping. I'm going to stop harping on about it, but I was like, someone gave that poor creator, Pixel Occult, the wrong information. So I'm glad I got to purchase this at Newts because this cost me less than the shipping would have cost me. And I'm going to take a moment. It is not the creator's fault for a quote to be wrong. It is not the creator's fault that postage costs what it costs. Like, I see the conversations. I'm part of the conversations on our Facebook groups and in our community. It is out of our hands. We are not Amazon. We can't afford to, send things out for free because it's already expensive to create something on an indie platform. So I'm not dragging the creator. I'm saying that someone gave that creator the wrong information. So anyway, now we're going to get back to a positive note, because this deck looks so freaking cute. I cannot even. My kid is probably going to wander off with this and I'm never going to see it again because he loves playing with my cards. But let's go over and check out the Adorabyssmal oracle and flick through the cards. And there's probably going to be a lot of squeeing in this, just warning you. Okay, so now we're going to go through the Adorabyssmal oracle deck. And I've just taken the plastic wrapping off. That's all I've done at this point. And it's the first edition. Very, very cute. As I mentioned, I did see this on Kickstarter, but I got it at the Northwest Tarot Symposium this year from the Raven's Wing table, and I'm finally unboxing it near Samhain, so we'll be coming into Samhain, so a good time of the year for this. And I have a feeling my son is really going to enjoy this. He's currently watching The Last Kids on Earth on Netflix, and he's very into monsters right now. This is the back. So we have a poker-sized playing deck, and there's no gilt. So we've got this beautiful reversible back cardstock. I'm going to say 330 GSM cardstock there. That's just my guess for the cardstock. Okay, so now let's go through the deck. We have an Alchemist Distraction. I might get some of these a little wrong in regards to the pronunciation. And this is a spider. Anasai story. Looks like Michael Jackson from the Billie Jean video clip. The Balkhurst Test, Glamour. We have the element too on each one of these, which is really cool. So the design has the border, which I like how it actually integrates into the image, and the element. So we have water, earth, air, Bakikuria, misfortune. Looks like a whale A whale. Skeleton ghost. Bigfoot solitude. Oh my gosh, that is the cutest Bigfoot ever. Look at that. That is so cute. And the little ladybug. Super cute. A black shuck omen. A red-eyed dog. A shapeshifter. I have stories about being in the Girl Guides and having one of the girls in the Girl Guides telling us about this shapeshifter who was following her and her black eyes. It reminds me of that. The Keiju, duality, Kadijo. I'm trying here. Cute. The cat she, theft. So cute. They are very adorable, very up my alley here. Cerberus, duality, duty. So funny, my son actually said to me yesterday, I want a dog with 3 faces. And I said, you know, there is one called Cerberus. And it's a mythical dog that guards the gates of the underworld. And he said, is that real? Can we get it? And I'm like, I don't know if I want a Cerberus in here. Chapacubra. Consume. That's, what? Talks about a Chapacubra all the time. I think it's in the Captain Underpants. You can tell I have a child. Demon, chaos. So cute. Dullahan, inevitability. Oh, the headless horseman. These are really sweet. Fairy, trickery. I love that there's a fairy in this because not all fae are helpful and not all fae want to help, and they can definitely be very tricksy. Futath, a malice. So cute. Ghost and doer. Casper, the friendly ghost. Groot slang, cruelty. And you can tell that these are from lots of different origins as well, which is really cool, like different monsters from around the world. Hugin knowledge. I have a feeling these are Odin's 2 ravens that followed him, that were with him. The Hydra, struggle. Cut one of those heads off and 2 more appear. Cute. Ifrit, power. Jersey Devil, invulnerability. So as you can see, these would be very cute to read. Like, they'd be really good to read at like a Halloween gig, or my kid will really like these a lot. Kitsune, wisdom. Release the Kraken. Kraken mystery. Oh my gosh, that is the cutest Kraken ever. I guess that is the point of this deck, so well done. Lampad, companionship. Leviathan, envy. Mermaid, commitment. Yes. Sing that siren song, mermaid, sing it. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Mothman, ruin. It's the cutest little Mothman. It's like, pick me up and hug me. Namazul, control. Oh, Nessie. Loch Nessie, longevity. Look at that smile. I love the art style so much. Wait. Oh, Goi Kokohori. Virulence. We have an Olatayu, Expanse. Phoenix, Rebirth, of course. A Rusk Alka, Constrained. There's a superhero in Marvel Universe that has hair that does that. Slepina, a Swiftness. From the Aurora Borealis in the background there, and say that's from the cold places of the world up north. Wait, goodness. Tuscanoko, Lies. Yeah, I don't know. Could be a Sachinoko as well. Yeah. Oh, Will-o'-the-Wisp Guidance. I love Will-o'-the-Wisps. So cute. And then we have Wolpertinger, Diversity. These are really, really sweet. So now I'm going to have a look at how they shuffle. Oh my gosh, if I can get this to... There we go. They shuffle really, really well. It is nice cardstock. It's nice to fan out. And let's have a look. I'm going to do one more shuffle and then we'll pick a card. So we have the Sleipnir, Swiftness. So I'm going to have a look now at the little guidebook that comes with it. We have a little bit about the oracle. Then we go straight into the different creatures. Oh, we have a card game in the back. That's cute. So the card game, here we go, is to accumulate the most points in a match. And there's that's really cute. And then we have the rules and the other links. This is by James. I'm going to get Sleipnir. Okay, is associated with the element of earth, is swiftness. It is Norse. Associated with the underworld and swiftness, Sleipnir is from Norse mythology and was said to be the best horse among God and men. So with that element of earth and the, which is what I would absolutely put a horse in to my elementals. And then we have this swiftness. It's a lovely message of doing things swiftly. So I think this is really cute. As I mentioned, I think it's great for this time of year. If you're someone who likes to cycle out their decks or do readings at functions, I think it's great for kids. I think my child is going to quite love this. I don't know if I'll ever get it back. And I will pop a link in the description below from where you can get your own copy if they're still around. Maybe there's a second edition. And this has been the Adorabyssmal Oracle deck unboxing and first impressions. And I will see you all next time. Thank you for watching.